I say bananas, you say peppers. And today I have more mystery SpongeBob items. And I know from my last SpongeBob unboxing that some of you guys love SpongeBob and some of you guys hate SpongeBob. But here's another video for the SpongeBob lovers. And I got tagged for these on TikTok. And I think it was after I did that last like SpongeBob mystery. Well, you know what? I did one on TikTok, and then I think a bunch of people like tagged me in that SpongeBob unboxing video that these existed. So I bought these on Amazon. I think maybe I paid a little bit of a premium for them. So if you've seen these in the wild, let me know if I got like ripped off a little bit or not. So when I was tagged in these, the person who was like on the hunt for these, there's like somebody on TikTok, I wish I remembered their name, and like their big thing is SpongeBob. They collect all kinds of SpongeBob items and memorabilia. I think they do a lot of game room content as well, and it just looks like a really fun account, so I should have saved that video. That person was going and buying these at Target, and I know Target has a ton of blind boxes, and I'm gonna go ahead and just open up the package. So I bought two sets. Like I said, I did get these from Amazon, but I think it is kind of like a Target exclusive item, but you have to go in store to get them. So this was on Amazon Prime, but from like a third-party seller, and that's why I only bought the listing twice, because who knows, like I don't know. Oh my gosh, yeah, what does this mean? That's really interesting. I have no idea what that means. It was like $14.99 for each pack of 2, and there's only 6 options. And you know what? Maybe, oh my gosh. Is there only 3 options and then 3 that are more rare? I was so excited for these because they are called Chibi in Motion. And first of all, I just love keychains anyway. I love mystery keychains. But I saw there's a Squidward, and that's what I'm really hoping for. I did not know that Patrick, SpongeBob, and Squidward are all iridescent. So it says collect them all, look for the special edition iridescent set. And then it says collect them all on the other side, and it has Sandy, Fry Cook, SpongeBob, and Mr. Krabs. And probably the only one that I'm not crazy about is Sandy. I know that's so weird because like she's from Texas and I'm from Texas, but hey, I don't know. I never was like that into Sandy. I know I said that in the last video. I know a lot of people thought that that was weird, but hey, oh, okay, so it does look sealed, but kind of also like you definitely could potentially peek and see what is inside of there, right? It's not any further. Oh my gosh, okay, literally who cares? Because the very first one I'm opening is the one that I wanted. I can tell it's Squidward. So yeah, I can definitely see where somebody would just like lightly lift this up. Ooh, okay. So the plot thickens because this is a Squidward, but he's not iridescent. He's just normal Squidward. So yeah, I was so excited for these because not only are they keychains and they're mystery boxes and they're SpongeBob, but these, did I say they're called Chibi in Motion? So the first time that I saw keychains like this was at Disney World. They started selling like the Fab 5 characters like Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Goofy, and Pluto. And they had all these cute little movable parts. I love this so much. So the little arms move and the little legs move, and it's so cute. I love Squidward so much. I don't know which ones are iridescent now. Patrick looks kind of iridescent, but who knows at this point, you guys? The show must go on. Let's go to box number 2. Ooh, look, this one's like kind of sealed differently. Why am I so like fascinated sometimes by the minutia of all of this? Oh my gosh, but look, it does kind of look like it has like not a factory glue seal. Why am I so into stuff like this? But you guys, there are some people that really will just like buy them and buy them and buy them until they get the one that they're looking for, like the super special iridescent one or whatever. Oh my God, it's Sandy. We got a Sandy, you guys. She's tiny compared to Squidward, right? Here she is, Sandy, Chibi in motion. Oh my gosh, look at that expression. So there's her little feet and her little arms. I mean, she's cute. I know that there's definitely some people out there where Sandy is their favorite character. Oh, I was trying to flip her arm all the way around. That's kind of spooky. I'm sorry I did that. So there we go. So far, no repeats. So, hey, that's a good thing. Now I definitely hope I get a SpongeBob because I do love SpongeBob. You know what? I'm not even going to inspect the glue on this one to be like, oh, does it look like they opened it before? Ah! Look. Oh my gosh. He's adorable. So it is normal SpongeBob. Now I want to look again and see what is... Oh, okay. So yeah, I definitely am glad I got this one as well. The only difference between SpongeBob and Fry Cook SpongeBob that I can tell is one has a hat, Fry Cook SpongeBob, and then the other one does not. I would rather have this one where he doesn't have a hat. So I'm so happy that that is the one that I got, you guys. These are so cute. I love how you can just make them look like they're like saying hi. They're just like waving. They're like, hello. Okay, maybe if the arm is straight out, he looks like he's like a zombie or something. Sponge zombie. But he is really, really adorable. I would love to get one iridescent one just to see what it looks like. But I'm mostly happy that we just got Squidward. We have one left, you guys. Maybe we'll get a Patrick or Mr. Krabs. I love Mr. Krabs too. But we did get one duplicate. It looks like, yep, we got a duplicate SpongeBob. So there he is. Not too bad, only one duplicate out of all 4 of my boxes. But I would love to know what you guys think of these. Have y'all ever seen these Chibi keychains for any other like series, cartoon? Let me know, because I feel like this is so cute. I would totally collect more of these from other things. I would love, you know what? I'm gonna try and see if I can like find out what the iridescent ones look like. I feel like that's what all of the ones from Disney look like. I have a Mickey Mouse, but he's on like one of my bags that I take to Disney all the time, which is not in this room, it's in the closet. Otherwise I would show you. I'm not even sure if they make those anymore, but because I feel like I got mine a couple years ago now, but they were so cute. Let me know all of you guys' thoughts and opinions in the comments down below, like always. Let me know all of your personal thoughts and opinions about SpongeBob. Do you love it? Do you hate it? I feel like over the years I have been such a huge SpongeBob fan. It's just such a nice show to like put on as like background noise, and just it's calming. You know, I feel like SpongeBob, it's like one of those things you either love it or you hate it. But anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will be back again very soon. Bye.